had for so long is me and you. Now you're gone away. You left me all
Thank you,
alone.
Alex. Thank you so much.
Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You'll break my heart. Say, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing
So, Mall of
you.
Asia is next to Taft,
It is all over.
MRT
This is
Taft
me.
Avenue.
Time and time again, wish that you were here.
So, from your balcony, that is it. The Taft station that you see where the McDonald's is.
I don't wanna lose you, girl. I
So,
need
the
you
MRT Taft.
desperately. I don't wanna lose you,
Okay.
baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you.
Right, right. I remember your videos, when you were
I
doing live from the
pray
balcony, sometimes
someday
very
you'll
early morning.
be back home.
And the other
'Cause
day I
I
came home.
really miss you, darling.
I came by LRT from Guadalupe. I got the MRT from Guadalupe, and then I came to Etsa. I came to Etsa, and then from Etsa I walked that
Ready na
long
mga
bridge to
contest.
Taft.
Still playing with the ads. 6 minutes.
Then from Taft I got the MRT, and I went to Jime.
I wish someday you'll
Jime I got a
be
bus
back
and came home.
home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
My head can barely be seen. When love is far away, every day seems longer. And when I is right today, my love grows stronger. I'm gonna let you know what I've been thinking, and hope that you will come to me and you'll be willing. I'm gonna send my love today right to you and say those three little words. I love you. I'm gonna send my tender kiss to your tender lips with three little words. I love you. When love is far away, every day seems longer. And as I write to you today, my love grows stronger. I'm gonna let you know what I've been thinking, and hope that you will come to me and you'll be willing. I'm gonna end one and kiss to your tender lips with me little words. I love you. I'm gonna send today right to you and say those three little words. I love you. those three little words, I love you.